Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the hidden gems of the culinary world. Today, we're diving into the world of Greek cherry juice, also known as Visinada. Get ready for a taste sensation and some surprising unknown facts. Greece is renowned for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and of course, its delicious and unique beverages. One such treasure is Visinada, a delightful cherry juice that captivates the senses. Did you know that the roots of Visinada can be traced back to ancient Greece? Cherries were not only a sweet treat for the gods but were also used in various medicinal concoctions. The tradition of making cherry juice has truly stood the test of time. Now, let's explore how this exquisite drink is crafted. The making of Visinada involves a meticulous process, from hand-picking the finest cherries to the slow infusion of flavors. It's a true labor of love that results in a beverage bursting with authentic taste. Here's a surprising twist: Visinada isn't just a delicious drink. It's also packed with health benefits. Cherries are known for their antioxidant properties, and this vibrant juice is no exception. From supporting heart health to providing a natural energy boost, Visinada goes beyond just satisfying your taste buds. In Greece, this cherry elixir isn't just a beverage, it's a symbol of hospitality and celebration. It often graces the tables during festive occasions, creating a sense of joy and togetherness. Here's a seasonal twist for you. Did you know that Visinada is often considered a seasonal elixir? Cherries are typically harvested during the summer months, and that's when you'll find this delightful juice at its freshest. It's like capturing the essence of a Greek summer in a bottle. Visinada isn't just limited to being a refreshing beverage. Greeks often use Visinada to enhance the flavor of various dishes, from savory sauces to desserts. It's not just a drink. It's a connection to the past, a taste of history in every sip. Some believe that the cherry tree is a symbol of good fortune and protection. So, when you enjoy Visinada, you might just be sipping on a bit of that mystical charm. Many producers take pride in the hands-on approach, carefully selecting and processing each cherry to ensure the highest quality. It's a dedication to craftsmanship that shines through in every bottle. Different areas may have unique twists on the traditional recipe, incorporating local cherries or adding subtle hints of other fruits and spices. From cherry-picking festivals to communal juicing events, it's a time for communities to come together, celebrate the harvest, and share the joy of creating this cherished beverage. Have you ever noticed the beautiful labels on Visinada bottles? Many producers take inspiration from the vibrant colors of the cherry orchards and local artistry. Thanks to its unique flavor profile and health benefits, it has gained recognition on the international stage. You might find enthusiasts and curious taste explorers enjoying Visinada in various corners of the world. Beyond its delightful taste, Visinada has a history steeped in traditional medicinal uses. In ancient Greece, it was believed that cherry juice had properties that could help alleviate ailments such as insomnia and joint pain. Not all cherries are created equal, and the same holds true for Visinada. Various cherry varieties contribute to the unique flavor profiles of different batches. Some regions even have specific cherry varieties that are prized for their distinct sweetness or tartness, adding nuance to the drink. Chefs and food enthusiasts have discovered its versatility, using it to create everything from cherry-infused sauces for savory dishes to delightful desserts. The possibilities are as endless as your culinary imagination. Visinada, much like fine wine, can improve with age. Many Visinada producers are committed to sustainability. It's a joyful testament to the cultural significance of this beloved beverage. Creating the perfect batch of Visinada is an art form. Producers often engage in the meticulous process of blending different cherry varieties to achieve a harmonious balance of flavors. It's a skill that requires a keen palate and a deep understanding of the characteristics of each cherry type. In some Greek traditions, Visinada isn't just served, it's the centerpiece of ritual toasts. Whether it's to celebrate a milestone, honor guests, or simply share a moment of joy, raising a glass of Visinada is a symbolic act that transcends mere refreshment. Cherries hold symbolic significance in Greek culture beyond their culinary uses. When you sip on Visinada, you're not just enjoying a drink, you're partaking in a tradition rich with cultural symbolism. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of Greek cherry juice. If you have any additional facts or personal experiences with Visinada, share them in the comments below. Until next time, keep discovering the hidden treasures of the culinary world. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more intriguing content, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for being with us, and we'll catch you in the next exploration.